Network Interface Card, or NIC, is a hardware device that is used for connecting a device to a network. NIC is also called a Network Interface Controller, a network adapter, or Ethernet. NIC is basically a circuit board or a USB device. NIC consists of a physical address, which is called the MAC address. MAC addresses consist of a 12-digit hexadecimal code. MAC address size is 48 bits. NIC works on the physical layer and the data link layer. For data transmission, the network protocol sends data to the NIC card's buffer, then a header is attached to the data. There are basically two types of NICs. Number 1. An internal NIC, which is basically a wired or wireless NIC. Number 2. An external NIC, which is basically a USB NIC.